Hello and welcome everyone. This is Doc Williams. Today, again, this is episode. What episode are we even on right now? Let me check about this. Let me check. Let's put this down. Where are we? Build with me. Episode 6. So if this is the first time you're tuning in, again, welcome. This is where I'm actually building out businesses. I'm building out all kinds of stuff because I'm stuck in the house for at least the next 8 weeks or something like that. So every night I go live and I build a business from scratch. And a lot of people have questions how they can build their own business, how they can build their stream business where they're making money on the side and everything. I take a new product every single day. I talk about it. I make it for businesses. And in these hard times, people just need help. So that's what I do. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using something called BotStar to teach you how you can actually use this in your business, how you can, if you're streaming on Twitch or if you're on YouTube Live right now and you're trying to figure out how to connect with people, people need to talk to you and all this stuff, I'm going to be using BotStar to really get this to the next level for you. And then also tonight, I'm going to be checking in and talking about my to-do list, what I'm doing in my business right now as I'm building it. So again, this is Build With Me. So if you message me in the chat right now, you let me know what's going on with your business, what's going on with you, and I'll answer your questions right here. So I got to check if I'm getting any comments on my stream as well. Oh man, something's going on with. Let's see. Currently, there's an issue with the YouTube API. What in the world is going on here? All right, let me check what's going on with YouTube. YouTube Live. Okay, you legally comply with the Children's Online. Okay. Okay, go live. Let's see about this. Trying to see and make sure I'm doing everything right. Oh, let me take this timer off. Sorry, dude. Okay. New stream, just build with me. Build a business live every night. Okay. No. Create new stream. Let's see about this. Connecting. Okay. See if we can do this, guys. So right now, everybody, I'm getting ready to start building with BotStar, but I'm trying to see if something's going on with my stream too. Let's see about what's going on here. Connect streaming. Okay, let's see. It's trying to do some stuff. Seeing him online. It's just saying that I'm not connecting. Let's see if we're doing it now. I already did that though. Stream health. It already looked like I was doing that. Let's see. I already did that. Go live. Let's see about this. Arrow right there. Stream allows me to broadcast on Twitch, Mixer, all at the same time. Let's see what's going on here. There's an issue with your YouTube API. Man, that sucks. Oh, it's saying it's syncing now. Okay, all right. Let's see about this. Okay, we're back online, guys. All right, good times. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so ask me questions in the chat, all that kind of good stuff. You can do the same thing on Twitch. See what's going on, making sure everything on Twitch is good. Makers and crafts. Let's see about this. So I was just watching League of Legends today, by the way. Let me know if anybody watches League of Legends around here. All right. Cool. Okay. Let's go here. All right. And then one more thing. Should be getting comments over here. Switch over to chat. Okay, open in browser. Okay, cool, guys. All right, so, hey, everyone, ask me questions here. Cool. So right here, I can sync and start doing that. This is pretty awesome. Okay, cool. So just got that set up, guys. Okay. So, all right, again, this is a show where I build businesses live every night for about an hour. We'll see how far we get. We do this every time. So right now, if you're just joining us, this is episode 6. We've been doing this 6 days straight. This is, people are stuck in the house. They're panicked about other things. Like, we're just here trying to bring some positivity out there. And you can watch these replays as well because perhaps you need an idea for your business. We go through products. We go through different business ideas. It's all for you right here. Just got water everywhere in me. Hold on. All right, guys. Man, crap. Got water everywhere. I'm trying to do this thing. All right, so I just got everything set up. Okay, let's do this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building your business. We're going to be using BotStar to teach you how to build a business if you're going to be doing this with your chat and what the purpose is. Also, let me see about this. I'm going to ask somebody right now. My Discord channel. Let me ask. Let me see. I'm asking one of the streamers how he streams music. I loaded everything up to my Ecamm, and then on top of that, after I use that, like, I kept getting dinged with copyright. So I'm saying, do you stream music during your streams? If so, are they copyrighted free? Copyright free. I'm getting dinged, but I tried to get royalty-free music during the show, and it still didn't work. Okay. Well, let me get a towel. Okay, so let's do this. Let's just play a little bit of music in the background. Okay, good times. All right, let's get right into it. What just happened? You can now import existing audiences. Cool. Okay. Okay. Good times. All right, fine. I'll give you that. Seats. Okay, so let's do this. So first, today we're going to be talking about product check-in, what I'm doing, bot star, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, let's do that. And let's go right into it. So that. Let's just do that. All right, let's add this divider. Do a divider again. Cool. So what am I going to do right here? I'm going to say business updates. Okay, so what are we working on? Number one, working on weekly business meetings. See, completed. We did that yesterday on the stream. So we did that with Stand Uply. Okay. Discovery call. Follow-ups. We did that with Book Like a Boss. Zapier. ConvertKit. Next, sessions, let's see, client sessions. We're doing this with Notion and Zoom. And then we're doing this with Zoom Cloud recordings. Copy and paste link, clients to download sessions. So this is basically cuts out needing to upload to YouTube, plus time and energy to remember to send videos after they render. Video available for 30 days after session. And we might keep them longer, but just so they know, like, hey, you know, you have 30 days, they might be deleted after that. Stay in touch. We're doing that with SendFox and ConvertKit. The reason I'm going back and forth was I really do like SendFox. I really, really do like it for someone that's doing it very basic. But the tagging system is horrible for me. Horrible. When I'm using ConvertKit, it's a lot easier to keep everyone's set together, and the automations are just so much more advanced and everything like that. So I'm going to probably send them that report today. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, someone just came in. What day is it? 23rd? Okay, they come in. See, right here I can check out what's going on with them. 3-path, huh? That's interesting. So when people are taking different assessments and stuff like that, I can instantly check out what's going on with them and see how they came into the network. So right here, I have all my tags set up, right? Who took my assessments? Who's interested in a discovery call? Who's interested in learning more about what I'm clicking and stuff like that? General customers over here, and then scheduled calls. So this helps me understand my target demographic better, and it's just so easy from this platform. I don't see that. Yes, this is a different case study, but I have emails, automations, lists, and it's easier for certain things, and they do have a landing page, but it's been cumbersome with that. And the RSS feed just changed, so you can import it more than just WordPress like they said they originally did. So, right here, building business using chatbots. Let me know if you have any questions. Cool. So I've got that right now. The benefits of ConvertKit is tagging system and holistic view of clients. I'm probably going to tell them that to SendFox as well, just like something to keep in mind as well, because I think that's important. And then what I need to do today is let's see, I'm going to put weekly, I'm going to say daily or weekly newsletter feed to list. That's going to take a couple different platforms. It's going to take Story Chief plus ConvertKit to do that. And then content schedule plus promotion. I think I'm going to do that with Social B. Not sure yet. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be working on right now. And then I'm going to go into chatbot, chat start right after this. So let's see. No. Let me just do this. I need to just check boxes. That's what I need. Check boxes. To-do list. Okay. So let's take this. Come on, bro. Thank you. Control X. What? There we go. Oh my goodness. Sometimes you just gotta do it yourself. Content. Social beam. Okay. Let's do that. I'll add more later on, I think. But right now, daily or weekly newsletter feed to lists. Okay, let's do this. So I've got this one out. Let's see. How to create a newsletter with RSS feed, convert kit. There we go. Cool, everything was going good. So let's do this. Story chief. So it's going to tell me how to do it. Just sign in with story chief. How do you set up an RSS feed? I'm going to put this in the chat too. Or in this. Create embed. Huh? Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Okay. Cool. I like that. Okay. So let's see about this. Pushing new posts to your readers automatically is something you should be doing. Connecting RSS feed. Okay, so RSS feed is right there under RSS feed and rules. So that's an older article. They've changed the dashboard on that, I think. Or unless you go to, let's see, automations. Let's see if they have that. Yeah. Under automations, RSS feeds. So they have RSS feeds. I'm just going to see integrations too. Lead pages, Gumroad. Oh, I didn't know they had Gumroad and Podia. So they have that even without. Podia allows you to sell. Oh, dang. How to connect Podia. Let's see what this. Company name. If you'd like to. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Oh, that's interesting. Add, talk to Podia, tag it. Good to know. How to sync Podia account. Dang, that's good. If you'd like to use Podia in purchases, you need to add your secret API key. Create a tag. I might be doing this tomorrow. I didn't know that. Alright, let's look at RSS feed real quick. It's not bad. Yeah. Hmm. Love it. All right, let's do this thing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch out this thing real quick. Reads? Really? I got one reads. Who read that thing? Oh, view. Hmm. Alright, let's try this again. Let's try this. Okay. Content calendar. See, I need. So, content calendar, we can do this in Story Chief. One last platform. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're doing this. Let's do this. I'm going to invite Sabrina. Users. I'm going to invite someone. Here's the central hub where you can add stories and create schedule for content. Why am I having trouble, man? Thank you. Okay. Pending. Okay, let's see about this. See about this. Stories. Couple people live. What's up, guys? Let me know what's going on with you guys in the chat. Okay, let's do a news story. Oh, you know what I'm gonna try? Let's do this. Let's bump that. Leave that. Let's try this. Let's go to integrations. Let's go with William. Ask me later. Hide. Let's do this real quick. So what I'm doing is adding a bunch of stuff. I haven't done this before, so save profile. Okay, cool. We'll just leave it like that. See about this. Save. Let's view a blog. Now I'm gonna make this the main one, I think. Oh yeah, I'll convert full, huh? This is interesting. Really? Hero? Does it tell your story? Very interesting. Okay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, we can do call to actions. Let's see about this. Okay, we've got that configured. Let's do this. Stories. Let's go over here. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the location of where we're going to be posting this. Instead of our platform, we're doing this. So, okay. Let's just create one. Let's see. ConvertKit. ConvertKit. Beta feed test. This is where we tell our story. Let's see about this. We just need to redo this page for a second. Okay, let's see about this. So this is a template I just made real quick. Okay, cool. Ask us for help, because we have that. The only problem, if I do that, then again, we can just slowly, quickly change out the links. Only ask us for help. We'll just have to change out tags, right? So, okay, let's add a clip. Something we've done. Embed tweet. Copy code. Okay, let's go back here. Well, this is paste link. Yeah, but let's see about this. Probably just this. Instead of the whole thing. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Let's see about if this works. Okay, so we got this. Summary, we can do this later. Audience. Okay, so we need to activate that. Okay, set as primary. Okay, I'm going to turn that off for a second. Okay. Now, the next part is, okay, so that's good. Audience, let's drop back. Right now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to go to channels, not integrations. I'm going to go to RSS feed, configure. Let's look at this. Okay, cool. Let's go over here and go to automations. RSS feed. Add feed. Alright, let's check this. Check feed. Here's the beta version of the newsletter. So we did that. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So it looks like, here's the beta newsletter. So it had it. So it didn't take in emojis maybe? Let's see. Let's edit here. So if we have that. Okay, hold on one second. Here's. Oh. Let's do this again. That makes sense. All right, let's back out. Let's do this. So let's publish it first. So they don't like that one. Cancel. Let me take a look at the list. Not horrible though. Let's see. Or let me go back in and let's do stories. Okay, let's do this right here. So we're gonna go to audience. We're gonna turn off press right now. Okay, let's see. That one. Okay, publish. Confirm. Go to dashboard. Take a look. Let's save it. Let's see what happens. It'll be in drafts and broadcasts. Okay, let's do this. So we're going to go back. Okay, let's make a broadcast. Well, let's try to do this new idea. So we're going to do a brand new issue. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to take my template. This is my template. Just 3 things in the newsletter every day. I'm just going to say your daily tips to creating your new business path online quickly. Basically, your daily tips to creating your new business path, your new business, your new online. Let's do that. Online business quickly. I'm going to say your daily blueprint to create. Let's do that. Create your online business quickly. Okay, so I'm going to have that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Story Chief. I'm going to make a new one, new story. Okay. Again, this is how we do it, guys. It's not always pretty. Say, introducing. Build. To create your daily blueprint to create a new to create a online business. Okay, cool. Alright, we're excited to announce a new project while we're all trying to figure out how to pivot and make changes in our businesses. I'm going to say here, we're excited to announce a new project to help you figure out how to pivot and make changes in your business. To shift to online and shift online and multiple streams of income. There we go. And then this is issue 1, number 1. Thanks for being here and trusting us with your inbox. I need a smiley face. Do that. Where's my story chief? Okay, so we're going to do that. I think that's appropriate. Introducing Build With Me. We're excited to announce a new project to help you figure out how to pivot and make changes in your business. Figure out how to pivot to online and create multiple streams of income for your brand. We're excited to announce a new project to help you figure out how to pivot to being online and create multiple streams of income for your brand in this crazy time. This is issue number 1. Okay, so I'm going to do that. This. Okay, summary, we'll worry about that a little bit. Yeah, we'll do categories, all that kind of stuff. Data tags. Okay, we're going to activate. Keep this primary. Okay, going to go there. Do that down here. Manage social posts. Okay, let's publish. Publish now. It's going to go to RSS feed. Now let's see what happens if this goes to the dashboard. And by the way, let's see, don't need that anymore. I actually like that. Let me take that. Just use that. Don't worry, we're going to do bot. We're going to do start bot. Let's view. This is 1 minute read. I love that. Cool. Let's see about this. Now, I go to broadcast. I'm going to see if it picked up from the RSS feed. Let's see. New free project to help you. Is it just now? I don't know if it did it. Oh, did I do that? Yeah, oh, it would be in drafts, right? Well, it depends how fast it pulls, too. So I can't be that mad. We'll see if it doesn't. Probably not instant. It's probably not pulling instantly. It probably just, looks to pull. All posts will be drafted. Now, did I put it there? Introducing Build With Me. Yeah. I think that'll be good. Let's see, broadcast. Okay. Wow, this is a long time ago. Okay. So we'll see if we set that up correctly. I think we pretty much did, but I'm gonna check. So this is good. I also like how it's right here, like a 1 minute read. I might actually start using this too. Man, throw my neck doing that. Okay. So, okay. Did that. Content, schedule, and promotion. Really, you can do that through Story Chief now. I really like that. Invited Sabrina to edit and add content. So let's take a look at this. If you're using Story Chief, let me go back. Getting stuck. Mini course, huh? I didn't know that. I just got a message from BotStar. Let's take a look. And sync your Podia account with ConvertKit. Follow the simple subjects. Go here. API. Go to settings page on Podia. I might do that. You'll see a list of tags. You can either say create tag or use an existing tag. Get the ID, click on the tag. Okay. Adding your video online course. Oh wow. It's really interesting. Well, I mean, that's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Well, I mean, I am gonna do that anyway, so let's take a look. Go log in. Thank you. So if I'm looking at this, I can look at content calendar. Content calendar right here. Can you plan this thing? Okay, let's see about this. What's today? Okay, so we can do this here. Plan a story, create a social post. Plan a story. Good stuff. Let's see, beta story. Testing. Okay. Let's save. That's awesome. So then we have right here, plan drafts. See about that. Then go to stores. Drafts. Then it automatically becomes a draft. Then you can go in. Man, that's good. That's really good. And then that can sync. You can create that whole story, and then it automatically syncs with that one. Okay, what about social posts? Create social posts. Wow. That's really cool. I love that. Okay, so really, once you plan it out on the content calendar, you can just have them as placeholders. Then they're going to become stories. And then from there, you just build out. You can probably just use a template or something like that to make this. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Let's see. Let's see. Probably how to make a content template. How to make a content, a stories template. Let's see about that. How to make a summary of your story. How to make a change to my story. Let's see. Story templates. Probably you can just duplicate. Customize your editorial brief template. Brief can guide you and your team how to both structure. Create a new story, view a story. So editorial brief template. So you have that. New brief feature, find it, look, account, stories, select brief. Here you can customize template to your liking. Ooh, yeah. And then you just go back right in that. So really I could create a template right here. So let me do this for my daily, right? So if I have this over here, next steps. Put that there. We go back over here. I go to, just click here. Customize the default template. Customize the default template to your liking. Let's do this. Look, and then right there, automatically, later on, it came up right here. Already pulled. So it worked right here. It's pretty great. Right off the bat. Excited to announce a new project to help you figure out how to pivot. How to pivot. Pivot your online brand. There we go. Introducing Build With Me. That's really cool. All right, so number one, I mean, it's right there. It's right there. I guess we could use this. Issue number. There we go. Well, if you have a brief, basically allows you to do right that. Okay, you save that. And what did it say? If you create that brief, okay, so what is this about? Invite editorial brief. Now you can start adding info. That's pretty cool. So you have that if you wanted that too. But it definitely works. Wow. Okay, cool. Alright, so makes the, yeah. And we did the content schedule right there. Wow. Okay, so we just finished all 6 of the automations that we basically did for our business. So that's pretty crazy. This is a lot of stuff I've just been not wanting to do. And I've been putting it off for like months. This time I was like, you know what? We're just going to do it. We're just going to practice and do it. And you can see, you just look at templates. You use things that you already have. I'm really liking Story Chief. I've had it for a couple years. I just haven't implemented it. I really think it's going to be good with the company. I really like that. Sleeper. Okay. So we just finished doing that. It's just, let me put that. We just finished creating an automatic newsletter feed from Story Chief. Story Chief, other way around. To ConvertKit. Oh, haha. Okay, cool. So that was really good. We just knocked out all of those things. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty psyched about that. The next thing that I'm gonna do is Squid Hub. So this is where we have all of our communication. Pretty excited. Okay, so what we need to do is, I'm going to make a new to-do. Send Sam from, let's see, send Fox video of reasons I like tagging in ConvertKit. Deadline. I can do it by Wednesday. It's nothing crazy. Just current projects. I can pretty much get it done, before then, but I mean, we got a lot of this stuff doing. I think we got to finish Office, all that stuff. So we just finished 6 phases of automation. And then our automation pretty much, we need to create an SOP for creating blog posts. Then we're gonna the cadence. So 3 pieces of content. a week. Create SOP for Story Chief. Three signature pieces content a week. We need to create templates and SOP for the content. 3 pieces content include podcast. So Monday morning podcast. Tuesday tutorials. Thursday projects. Urgent. There you go. Deadline. Let's see. Tuesday. That's pretty good. I think we pretty much have. Well, that one's already done pretty much. Okay. That was really productive. Okay, so how many hours have we been at this? Hour and 12 minutes. Good times. Okay. The next part is what we're going to do is, so those 6 pieces, we're going to create those, we're going to make those signature pieces of content. So, create 6 automation pillars as separate videos. Let's say really 7. First is to document all procedures and tasks for your business. Create categories of internal SOPs, marketing, content creation, and distribution of content as starting categories. Create that in Squid Hub. No. Create pillar content for automation. Deadline, we'll make that at the end of the week. Okay. Okay. All right. So, how can we do that? So we'll just refer back to this video right here. Now, what did we do? So this is the marker of hour and 16 minutes. Let's see. Refer to live video from 3:23. Starts at 12 minutes. 16:32. Okay, cool. So let's talk about this. Creating pillar content. So what the pillar content is going to be is documenting our automations for Brand Factory Inc. And we'll do this as a Canva document. Okay, so we're going to document this thing. Okay, the first one, let's do this. The first one is, okay. First one is, first section in creating automations for your business. Number one, inventory and process documentation, i.e., what are you guys doing? There we go. This includes documenting all processes. There we go. Documenting all processes and tasks in your business. Create categories of internal SOPs, marketing, content creation. I'm going to say onboarding of staff for tasks and projects, and distribution of content as starting categories. Next one is how to create automation for new clients. And then we're going to say discovery calls to teams. Okay, so this is how we use Look Like a Boss and integrate from that way. Zoom is what do we use for remote calls? Zoom plus Notion. Okay. Number 4 is how to stay in touch with potential clients. Number 5 is how to manage clients and customers with automatic follow-up procedures. Number 6 is how to create a weekly newsletter. Number 7 is how to manage your content schedule and promotion. Okay, so eventually we're going to have 7 main videos that we're going to have in how to automate your business. How to automate your business so you can take stress out of worrying about every step of the process. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So those are going to be 7 videos that I have to create. And it'll be okay. Let's see. I'm going to create 7 videos. There we go. I think I'll just do them soon. Or maybe I'll just create one long video. Let's see about this. 121. Let's change that. Let's just do it now. An hour, 21 minutes. Okay, so this will allow us to speed this one up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is use this video that you're going to watch, how you're going to create a new video series, how to automate your business so you can take the stress out of worrying about every step of the process. I might change the title, but this is what we're going to do. It's going to be 7 smaller videos that we're going to be able to put out, and it's just talking about how we're automating our business and how we can do this for others. And I think we'll just make this a free course that people can take and let them know. So how are we going to do this? Okay, so the very first thing that people need to do is create a, oh, and by the way, every single thing that we're doing, we're just going to create a Canva document for each step. Each step will be its own video for the Podia free course. Okay, so let's go through this. Okay, so and of course you can, use Canva documents to talk over this or reference this, so you don't have to use the screenshots, but you can just lay the overlay of some of the cards that you make and everything like that. So let me start right here. So it's, hey everyone, this is Doc Williams from Brand Factory Inc. And today we're going to be talking about automation for your business. Now, why is this important? Well, we want to cut out the stress of worrying about everything being done in your business and for you to get your life back. So this is a 7-part series that allows you to optimize and automate your business. So come with me. All right, everyone. So this is step 1 in the process. This is creating an inventory and process document. Now, why is this important? Well, we need to find out, what are you guys even doing, right? This document allows you to cut out and peel back all the things you're doing in your business. And if you started your business a few years ago, or perhaps you're just starting a few days ago, without having the processes documented, without understanding and really taking a look on a piece of paper or a Google Doc, it is easy for you to get away with things or for things to go off the rails, and you're just doing things because you've always done it, right? Have you ever just tried to send an email for a customer without a template? Or perhaps that you were trying to tell a customer, or you're trying to tell a new employee how to do something, and it's hard for you to articulate because you don't have anything written down. Or maybe you just wear so many hats, it's hard for you to even separate how you're going to go about teaching someone. Well, before you even have automation, before you introduce all these platforms that cost tons a lot of money, you have to first document all the procedures and tasks for your business. Now, if that feels overwhelming and you feel like I can't even do that, you can first do the first step is this. Write down everything that causes you stress. Write down all the things that cause you stress in your business today. Okay, so maybe that is the follow-up or trying to schedule a discovery call, or perhaps it's even just trying to find all of your documents. Write down everything that causes you stress in your business and rate the stress level for every task. Okay? Rate the stress level for every task. Now, what that will do, and I would say rate it from 1 to 5. 5 being it's the worst thing on earth. 1, it's pretty easy. It's just whatever. So you need to find that, and then you need to organize. You should at least no more than 3 5s, hopefully. But if they're all 5s, get that down. But look for the ones that cause you the most stress. And after you rate every task, you're going to rank the top 3 tasks that cause you the most stress. Now, once you do that, once you rank the top 3 tasks that cause you the most stress, take a breather, look at the list again, and then articulate what makes them so stressful. Why do you hate doing them? Perhaps it just takes a lot of time. Perhaps it's a task that you don't feel like you're very good at. But write down your reasoning why they're your top 3. After you do that, have someone else look at it. Perhaps try to read it to someone, a spouse, a coworker, one of your management team, and ask if they have the same stress about it. Ask if they have ever done that before. Now, the reason you're doing that is sometimes you have so much stress around it, it just gives you so much stress to even think about it. Having another perspective on it perhaps can validate what's going on, or maybe it gives you another clarity of showing, hey, you know what? It's easy for that other person, or maybe you need to delegate it. Whatever the case is, it just allows you to get a reality check. Now, after you have a reality check, you're going to create categories of all the things you need to do in your business. Now, it might be internal SOPs of, what you guys have to do daily. If you're working in a warehouse, maybe it's pulling inventory. Maybe it's, if you're a content creator, it's creating content. You're going to do all that. What are you doing internally every single day? Marketing, what do you do? Content creation, what do you do? How do you onboard staff or freelancers to help you? How do you distribute your content? Do you put it on Instagram? What do you do? Do you do it manually? All that stuff. And that's what you're going to finish. Now, the main thing is, if you feel like that's overwhelming, okay, remember, forget I said that. Focus on where you are in the stress level. Focus on your top 3 tasks that you want to manage, want to get rid of, want to improve. Write your top 3 tasks that you want to work on in this course. And then take a breather. Look at your list again, maybe a day, maybe an hour from now. And then in the next section, we're going to be talking about how you can make sure that you can work on this in this course. Okay, so we're back. In this next video, we're going to examine those stressful tasks and how to manage it. Now, those stressful tasks, a lot of times there's fear involved. There's anxiety just thinking about what you need to be doing. Before you go any further, before you get to step 2 in this course, we have to deal with stress, because if you do not deal with this stress and what you're doing in your business, you're not going to get through step 2 through 7. So how can we alleviate this? Well, you remember those 3 things that you need to work on, the 3 stressful things in your business. What I want you to do is either take out your phone, take out a phone so you can record yourself, or jump on, a live stream, somewhere that you can hold on to this information and evaluate it later. And you just need to talk through, what do you have to do to accomplish this goal? Now, you could write this out at first, but I want you to just naturally talk about it. Talk about all the things from the starting point to the end. Then, after you do that, write out what those tasks are. And so the reason you're going to just talk about it, a lot of times when you try to write about it, it gives people more stress just thinking about how to put it in order. So talking it out, just being a real human and explaining like you're on the phone with your best friend and you're just explaining this is what we do at our company, do that. Then come back and then try to write it out. Now, if you feel like you're too stressed and you're like, oh my God, I can't do that, after you record it, video, audio, whatever, get someone to transcribe it. You can go to tumi.com or another site that allows you to transcribe. Oh, it's called Timmy. Timmy? I don't know. It's TEMI.com. And it transcribes your videos or audio. And then you can just go back and, what do you call it? Shape what the audio was. You're going to have to do moderate. You're going to have to just, because your speech pattern, it might not catch everything. But you're going to go there and then you're going to make changes. And you're going to have everything documented. And you're going to have everything that causes you stress written down right there. Now, we don't have to automate it right now, but it's important for you to now have a sigh of relief because you know that what you're struggling with, you'll take care of it later. And it's documented. You don't have to worry about it. You'll have a team. You can have us. Someone will help you with it. But now you can alleviate that stress and go back to your list of all those different categories and what you need to do with your business and take a stab at it. Write down all the things that your business needs. And then from there, you can go into step 2. We'll see you on the other side. Okay, everyone. So step 2 is how to create automation for your business. Now, for us, we started with the top of the iceberg, and that was really we needed to create automation for new clients. For our business, we had all the influx of all of these different leads, people filling out our assessments, people doing discovery calls, people finding us from podcasts, and we were drowning. We couldn't figure out a way to input them into the system or to accurately be able to track people. So what we did was we created an automation for new clients. Now we're going to show you an example of how we automated our new clients, but this is to get you thinking about if you're thinking about creating internal standard operating procedures, marketing, whatever, it's important for you to see what's happening and see how we do it. And then this gives you ideas to apply it to what's going on in your business. So the first one is how do we apply the automation of new clients? Well, what happened was we had it in a 2-step process. Number 1, instead of just people inquiring about us or what's the next thing, we have them actually apply and fill out an assessment. Now, that assessment allows us to know more about them, and that allows us to categorize them to see who our best clients are. So this is over time, but then we have several different sections to see what people are struggling with, how they identify what they're struggling with, what industry they are in, and then what they need help with. So instead of us going and jumping on a call blindly, we have all this information inputted into our system about the person. Not only that, they also, the platforms that we use integrate with our CRM system, which is a customer relationship management system, which is ConvertKit, and we're easily able to see what's going on with them. Right? So instead of thinking about, hey, we've got to have them fill out this form and then one of the person in our office got to follow up with them. No. We have them fill out the application. It automatically goes into our account. And afterwards, if they're the right fit for us, it will say, thank you so much for inquiring. We think you're a good fit. And then it gives them access to our appointments. Now, we use something called Book Like a Boss, but it integrates with this. And now when they fill out the form and it's a good fit, it automatically cues them to jump on a calendar, to book a time with me on my calendar. Well, so what does that do? That allows me to not worry about, going back and forth with them on email. What's a good time? Could we sync? Here's the link. It does everything for me. And then from there, they book a time. They get reminders, text messages, email reminders, and it tells them where to log in with the Zoom call. Now, Zoom is a teleconference platform, so basically it allows us to have meetings virtually, and they can see me, I can see them, all those things. Now, we did all of that by first identifying what are the biggest things in our business. How can we make sure that they're pre-qualified? Well, we went with an application. What do we need? We need a booking software. We need them to actually book a call, and then instead of us making a new room every single time in Zoom, it automatically does that for us. And for the people that aren't qualified for us right now, we don't waste the time to get on the phone with them, but then we redirect them to some of our best free material that allows them to understand, know about our brand, and more importantly, we create a really good relationship because they get a great product in our free starter kit that allows them to get to their goal closer. And if they get through that and they're ready, then they can reapply for the assessment to be with us. So that's just an example of how we automate something. That is showing us about using the discovery calls to get to the point of them reaching out and talking to our team. And those are the two basic steps of creating automation for your business. Now, steps 3 through 7, we'll go through that later on. And if you need help with that, you can reach out to us and we can go on from there. But it's important, instead of going through all of these other sections, it's important to master first knowing what's going on with your business and the inventory and learning how to automate that based on the needs of your business. Now, remember, you had those other categories that you can work on: internal SOPs, marketing, content creation, all those things. You can do that just using those 2 steps that we just talked about: inventory and process documentation, and showing you just now a blueprint of what we did with our automation. We took into account what we needed, and then we built from there. And you can do the same thing. You don't need to go through the other pieces of the content right now. You need to focus on these 2 things to get you on track. Now, if you need help with that and you want to reach out for help, you can talk to our team. There's going to be a link below this video for you to contact us so we can start helping you build this business and automate it in a very fast and structured way. If not, take the time, use the time now to focus and automate your business just like this. If you have any questions, let us know right in the comment section below, or if you want to talk to us directly and you're serious and you have the ability and the willingness to learn to see what to get your business to the next level, contact us. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for the time and for watching this course on automating your business, and we will talk to you soon. Okay, how long was that? 139. Put that there. Let me just say, focus on creating only 3 parts for the video. Okay, so we're getting better, even as you're seeing this video, how we're documenting, how we're speeding up the process of talking to our team. Instead of making smaller miniature videos, we're telling them, hey, we just went live, we just created all this stuff, check out these parts, create a micro lesson here. Again, this is something how we iterate very quickly, and we teach our clients how to do this. We're doing it ourselves. It's important that we're focusing on how we become more efficient with the business, and we just did it. So we just created a mini course with one of the episodes of Build With Me. We just did it right then and there. And again, we'll have the transcripts there for this, so we can create a blog post about this, have a call to action for the course for them to download. Again, the next part tomorrow is having a Podia integration. Let me write that down. create a Podia integration with ConvertKit to tag purchases. Okay, cool. I'm going to say the deadline is Wednesday. I'm going to say current projects, Sabrina, checkout. I don't even know what you call this. Article, yeah, let's just do that. Check out this article in order to add purchases from Podia to ConvertKit. Right here. Bam. Add that bad boy. Cool. So we have all of that stuff done. Okay. That's done right there. That's done right there. Okay. Stream. We still got some people watching. It's good. Okay. That's done right there. Who is this for? We talked about that. Okay, so right here we did a business update. I mean, we just created a mini course real quick. I'm going to say example. Shown but not in detail. There we go. Okay. Okay. So, this is the last part. So, you know, that was almost, yeah. All right, let's divide this up. So we just did the product check-in. In the next part, we're going to do bot start. You know, let's just do this right here. I was going to break up the video, but like, let's just keep rolling with it, okay? So with bot start, I'll just make this really easy. So let's see, let's do a timer. 1:43. Let's do create micro content for bot star from build with me episode. Okay, sign. There we go. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so, all right, everyone. This is Doc Williams with Build With Me, and today we're going to be talking about BotStar. Now, BotStar is a powerful and comprehensive chatbot solution for streamlined customer interactions. Now, the reason this is so powerful is no longer do you have to worry about just being on Facebook, being on your website, et cetera, et cetera. This allows you to have an integrated experience that you can be on multi-platforms, engaging with your customer, meeting them where they are, and then you have a centralized inbox for you to respond and be able to take care of your customer and build better services and products based on the feedback. So who is this for? Well, this is for marketers, ones that are creating their own brand and they want this. This is for e-commerce, et cetera, et cetera. Like there's so many case studies for messenger bots. It's not even funny. And the reason is a lot of people prefer having Messenger instead of actually talking to someone, or perhaps being on support. You just want the answer right away. Chatbots can do all that stuff for you. Now, the reason I like this platform is there's a lot of features, and they're really trying to work fast to make a lot of changes and to improve their experience. And it shows with their team and talking with them. There's a lot of other chatbot platforms, but I really think this has a lot of how can I say, it can do a lot of things. So this is important for us to show you how this can impact your business. So as you're going through BotStar, what we're going to be doing is showing you how you can create 3 different types of businesses using BotStar. Now, right here, after you get BotStar, and you can sign up for it for free just to get started, it allows you to see examples of different kind of bots, and then you can create one right off the bat. So I'm going to show you first just the basic one. And right here, as we go here, we see our stats right when we go here. We have the bot builder, messages, reports. Messages, again, it's the inbox right here. Bot builder right here. It allows me to see the flow. Allows me to see the entry points of what's happening in the conversation. Allows me to see what's going on based on what they click on. And I can easily add elements based on what's happening. Now, this might be overwhelming at first, but think about it as a giant conversation that you want to control. That's all you're going to be doing. And once you think about that, the sidebar or the side menu is allowing you to have a more customized experience of what's happening with this. So it's your library. And if you're having too much anxiety looking at it, or you don't know where to go, first just write it out on a piece of paper of the conversation you want to have. Then you have a script to be able to come back here and be able to execute. Excuse me, my voice is going out. Over here, you have different entities that you classify. So it says you can create and manage digital content for your bot. Also, CMS allows your users to browse your products on chatbot easily. So you can have different products for them to browse. And this is something for, just say, for instance, a food and beverage bot, so they can check what's going on. You can do all of these things. You can even integrate for them to check out what happened or check out and buy. Also right here, this is the reviews of everyone that has bought the product. You can also create keywords, so when they're typing, you can have different responses on the keyword. Also, you can create drip campaigns of what's going on. And also you can have checkpoints, so different things like reservations, ordering information, you can have all that. And then right here as well, you can have Zapier, which is awesome. And then you can have wit.ai, so it allows you to enable keyword for your bots to have a better flow. You can integrate it with a lot of different things, and then it just jumps incredibly by having a Zapier integration. You can just do so much, and it integrates with so much right there. So again, this is what you can do. So they give you examples, but the whole purpose is you can build out whatever you find, whatever you need for your business, you can do it here. So what I really advocate is, instead of thinking about all the possibilities and going and creating something new, because you can do so much here, before you get there, write out what you need in your business. What are you struggling with? What are you trying to do? And then you can come here. Let's see. see about this. Someone's saying, let's see, hey, how's things are going? I found your channel. Pretty good impression. Nice job. Built with me. Okay, awesome. Check out the link in my Twitch profile. Good times. Will do. Thanks so much. Okay, cool. I'm about to do animation, intro and offline screen for your channel. Oh, doing some. Really? Thanks. Thanks. Thanks so much. That's really good stuff. That's great stuff right there. All right, good stuff. I'm happy. People are watching and doing some stuff right here. For your channel. BRB, intro and offline screen. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is really cool stuff, guys. So right here, we can see what we need to do. Oh, bot. Oh yeah, right. So right here, you can create a new bot. And then from there, there are so many different things that they've already made for you. So for me, I don't build a bot from scratch very often. I already have this in mind, and then I find a sequence that I can edit, because for me, that's a lot easier for me to learn what's happening. See, like right here, get started. Welcome to Soulful Memories. I'm glad. Pick one of the below to get started. Let's see. Photo sessions. Would you choose one of the followings? Okay, family. So I can do this. It tells me, and I said, order. How would you like to place it? Even tells me a location like this. Choose a location. Choose a date and time. See, it allows me to have scheduling. Please have it right there, right? Right there, confirmation, all these things built. How about provide brand development tools that shape your connection, right? Preview over here. Get started. Hey, welcome to BotStar Agency. Is there anything you would like to know about from the options? How can we help? Our services, who we are. Let's see services. So, messenger bot, advertising, learn more. Our specialist will work with you. I mean, it tells you right there. So, and you can clone the template. You can do all those things. Now, if I'm over here, let's see, find this template I can see. Let's see, agency. Chatbot agency, travel bot, consulting. Now, let's check out like this one. Get started. Hey, my name is Jennifer. I'm a chatbot built by humans. I love that. Here at Explore. I'm sure to help you explore what team, what are you looking for. Right there. And then right here, we can even see chat with admin. I guess an operator will be getting in touch with you shortly. I mean, that's pretty great stuff. Here again, I'm going to preview. Hey, I'm a bot. Is there anything like to know? So like right here, there's just so much. Contact us. Where we're based, call us. Find out more about us. Main menu, leave us a message. I mean, there's just so many different things you can be doing right here to really impact what's going on. No bots? What in the world? All. Let me go back. So food and beverages. Food. Like, just so much you can do right here. And let them know, like, hey. And so if I'm looking for in the economy right now, like ones that they can't have people in the restaurant and they need an app just so they can send food and they need something quickly, they can create a bot right here and just help them. Just say, hey, this is what I would do for you. Change out the branding, everything like that, and this is something you could do for them ASAP. Get started, and then it's a URL they can send their clients, and right off the bat. Cool. So this is just another way. So if I'm going to go here, say 3 business ideas. Number 1, chatbot agencies for restaurants trying to pivot for chatbot agency for restaurants trying to pivot for home delivery. Yeah, for home delivery. I would probably do that. I would also be able to do creating a CRM, a customer relationship hub that connects email, chat, and feedback. Do something like that. The other one I would do is, let's see. Chatbot agency for restaurants trying to pivot for home delivery, creating a customer relationship hub that connects email, chat, and feedback. I mean, let's take a look at this. What do I do with this? Within minutes, virtual employee. Yeah, I mean, you can create, MVP for apps. I mean, with that one, yeah, MVP for apps for small businesses. I mean, for a lot of times, I think a lot of times people think that they need this, coded app or something. And a lot of times people just need something where it's just a messenger bot that can pull information and have webhooks and API capabilities, which you can do. So, yeah, MVP for apps for small businesses or startups. Yeah, I would definitely do that. Let's see. Yeah, creating. So, 3 business ideas, chatbot agency for restaurants or specific field that needs interaction and pulling data. I would do that. Okay. Assignments. How would I start? Pick a business path. Find a way to help people. and explain how your solution would impact their business. Create a demo or show a result of what you could do for them. Yeah, I mean, although a lot of these, every time we go through these, it looks like it's very similar, but because that's what it is. I mean, it's all the same thing, but once you understand how you can impact someone, the rest is easy, pretty much. The rest is easy. So let's do this again. We're going to start from the top. I'm going to, again, I'm preaching what I do. I'm going to first look at the timer. Look at the timer, 2:01:40. I'm going to go back to this one. Bot star. There we go. Gonna pick the time again. 2 hours, 2 minutes. Okay. Save. All right, so I'm going to reset. We're going to do this thing. And then we out. Okay, right here. And here we go. All right, good people. This is Doc Williams with Build With Me. And again, this is episode 6 where we talk about BotStar. Now, what exactly is BotStar? Well, it is a powerful, comprehensive chatbot solution for streamlined customer interactions. Now, who is this for? I see this for agency owners. I see this for different businesses. If you're an owner of a restaurant, a physical therapist practice, whatever you want, this is a platform for you. Now, the reason that it's a wide breadth of people that could actually use this, why this is impactful, this platform allows you to basically create interactions with your customers, and it's only limited by your imagination. I know, that sounds really ridiculous, and it sounds like something you would tell, a kid for inspiration, but it's really true. As long as you can have a great conversation with someone, that's what it's allowing you to do, but automate that process with your target audience. And so when you're building these chatbots, don't think about you just have to do it like everyone else. You plan out the conversation. You know who you want to help, and that's all you do. So if we're looking in the background of this thing right here, if you log in, you sign up for this, it's going to take you to just creating your first chatbot. Now, there's examples and allows you to do a lot of things, and we'll go into what it looks like. But what I want you to do is think about what are you doing with your customer? Are you trying to get their orders? Are you trying to get feedback from them? Are you trying to give them answers? Write down what the purpose of this is for. Perhaps something you have like the same conversation 50 times a day, and they just need to know different information. Write that down. Write down what kind of resources you're giving them to get them to that answer. And then here, you can create a chatbot, but you don't have to do it from scratch. You can pick a category of what you're trying to explain. If perhaps you're trying to get quick appointments set up, perhaps if you're trying to tell them about a product or a service, you can now find a detailed outline for you to do. For example, what if I'm trying to help customers schedule classes and easily apply for courses? Well, I'm going to do e-learning. I can preview it right here. And it shows me a preview of what I can expect. Hey, don't hesitate to ask us a question. Course details apply now. What should I do? Maybe course details. It now puts them through a conversation of, please let me know what you're looking for. Course fees, course summaries, all those things. I might say course summary, right? And now here, it will allow us to get more details here. Perhaps I want to say course fees. It says, hey, great. Let me answer some questions. Here's what's going on. This is how much the course is. All those things, right? It's allowing them to pick what they need to know. And you don't need to do it from scratch and really think about all the things you need to do. You can get right to work. Now, let me give you an example of what it looks like behind the scenes. Once you click your bot that you just created, you get to see all the analytics, what's going on behind the scenes, how people are using it, who, the different checkpoints of how they're going through the progress of the conversation. It's all of those things. But not only that, you can go into the flow of what's going on with the bot and change it. So just like a conversation, you can start seeing how they enter into the conversation and then be able to control the conversation based on what their actions are. And now, if you're really, this brings a lot of anxiety. This seems like it's too hard. It's a conversation. It's a controlled conversation, and don't look at it. Write down what you want to say, and then come back here and be able to edit it, understand what's going on, and go from there. This is a powerful thing, but you control it. So make the plan and then come back to here. Now, this allows you to have basic blocks of what you're going to be doing and what you can implement into your flow. It also allows you to see what's going on in the variables. But not only that, you can have different entities where you can give it information such as inventory, different options, etc. It allows you to, as they're writing in the conversation, it can look at keywords of what they're saying. You can create different campaigns based on what's happening to them. And again, like we talked about before, having checkpoints. If you already know that they need to get to a certain checkpoint while they're talking to you, you can do all of that and set those parameters in BotStar and be effective. So this is what you can expect if you're using this platform. But again, let's talk about this. Why is this important? This can impact your business. This can impact your life right now if you choose to start building a business today using this platform and using this methodology. So again, we already told you that this is for business owners, really entrepreneurs that are looking for traction and they need to talk to a large amount of people or automate that so you don't have to do it. This is for you. Now, if I was creating a business, these are my 3 ideas of how I would create a business. Number 1, if I was trying to create an agency where I'm trying to help a bunch of different restaurants pivot for home delivery. I say that now because we're dealing with the coronavirus and a lot of businesses are shutting down or trying to pivot. Having BotStar allows you to do this because now you can have an easily accessible chat feature on your website or send this as an app for people to order food, do all of these things through social media and on your website. The next part is perhaps I already see a company that wants to go online, wants to do something more in social media, but they just don't know how. Well, instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, just create their website. If they have a chat feature, how many people want to be on chat instead of calling? A lot of people. Look at Domino's. Why do you think you could just text the emoji pizza and then it will deliver to you, right? People just want that relationship. So you can create that and not just create chat, but a hub so it talks to their email, getting feedback, sending reports to people. Perhaps it's packages. You can send all of that automatically and you can set that up for them. The last thing that I would do is creating an MVP for an app. Now, MVP is a minimal viable product, and I would say this to look as an app because, listen, a lot of people think an app needs to be some overly expensive thing or it's going to be hard to do. Just create a chatbot or a flow, and it's going to easily do 90% of what most apps are made for. And you can have this up and running within an hour. So those are my 3 business ideas. Now, a lot of people have those things, and then they just leave you to the wind and say, okay, just go forth and try that. But here, we want to give you how to start. So how would I start this? What would be my assignments? Well, out of the 3 options or an amalgamation of one of those things that catch your eye from the business ideas, I would pick a business path, write it down. Then I would find a way to help people and explain how your solution would impact their business. So number one, pick a business path, 1, 2, or 3. Which one are you going to do? Write down 1, 2, or 3 and write down why you chose that path. The next part is find a way to help people. So I would write down a list of people that you can help. I would write down 10 to 15 people that right now you see what they're doing on social media. Maybe they had a conversation with you. Write down how you can help them and explain how your solution will impact their business and for the better. Then you're going to ask them, can I show you the solution? You're going to create a demo or show a result of what you can do with this bot star and how this is going to help their life, their business, and you're off to the races. Again, guys, a lot of things are going on in this world. A lot of people are scared, not sure what to do. You need to come up with solutions and show them step by step that you're the right fit. And using bot star, you can do that today. Take the time to take control of your business and whatever you want to do, and start using the time wisely. Don't just get depressed. Don't just be in your house and not think about these things. Use this for the good and start making a difference. Again, thank you so much for watching the program, Build With Me. Again, we do this as a nightly show every day of the week to make sure that we're teaching you how to get your business to the next level, how you can make an impact on society, on your community, on your friends. And again, come with us. Build with us live because we answer questions in the chat and we show you what we're working on. As you can see tonight, we worked on BotStar, but again, we did a product check-in where you're actually seeing behind the scenes of how we're actually building out our business and how we're automating and what we're doing with our platforms. We do that all live, free of charge. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. If you have any questions, let us know. And if you missed these and you like the recordings, make sure you can check us out on Twitch or YouTube Live, or sign up for our newsletter so you get the